How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Jordan 1 Retro MCS Low. These are baseball Jordan 1s. Let's go ahead and have a look at these, and I will tell you the differences on your regular Jordan 1s compared to these. We'll grab both of them just out right here. We'll put the box aside, and let's have a look at this one right here. So you can see very premium, nice leather material on here, so it's not your standard Jordan 1 material, so it's a lot stronger, a lot more durable right here. Nice white line around it as well, which also feels nice and durable. Your bottom base right there, you can see the plastic cleats on them, the nice hard plastic cleats right there. Lots of really good grip on here. Your Jordan 1 classic logo on the back right there. And again, all nice leatherette right here. And then on the top, you can see the nice laces. And the inside is the main difference from your standard Jordan 1. A lot more padding and a lot more comfort on these right here. This is my second pair of these right here. I've got the white ones that I've been wearing regularly, but the black ones I wanted as well. And yeah, just really, really nice padding compared to your standard Jordan 1 shoe. So these are going to be very, very comfortable on the baseball field. So definitely a good choice. You get a good looking shoe. You get a really comfortable shoe. The Jordan 1s, they also do come in the mid variation as well. So if you want to get the one that has the higher ankle support, you can, or if you just want the lows, which are these ones right here, you can get the lows as well. But yeah, excellent baseball shoe. You're not going to be disappointed. And I promise you they are very, very comfortable. You're going to absolutely love them.